folks, welcome back. Got ourselves another one here. Let's get to it. Alright, well, let's see what we got here today. So this Crawlspace, I've been to this house before. This one's actually a strange one. You guys let me know in the comments what you think about this one. So basically what happened with this house was they went ahead and put all the joists up. This is a very tall crawl space. They put all the joists up and then they laid the plywood. I put the plywood right up on the joist. And then they put up all the beams. As you can see, I'll show you. You can see all the beams are right underneath this plywood. But you can see the massive amount of fungus growth they had down here. This is why they had to encapsulate the crawl space. But I'm gonna tell you a reason why I don't like what they did here. See all the wires coming down? One of the biggest concerns that I had with the situation was plumbing. How are you going to be able to see the plumbing? So let's find the toilet. Oh god, that's the smell. There's gonna be a smell there. Oh my god, what a perfect example. See this water. Now this isn't a toilet, but this is exactly, is that where the water? Yeah, this is where the water's coming from. Look at that. So now in order to repair this is all wet. You're gonna have to cut this plywood all open. I would match, you guys let me know down in the comments. I would much rather have this all open where you can actually see all the floor joists, the bottom of all the toilets. Because now this is going to be quite the task to fix. Got another dead squirrel. Goodness. Yeah, look at all that plywood. So during construction, they went ahead and put all the joists in, and they decked the bottom side of it. I don't know, maybe for insulation purposes. But even the HVAC, everything is cut out perfectly. Look at all the wires. I mean, to do any kind of work, I don't know, you guys tell me, man. Look at the dryer vent got disconnected. I mean, I am in a very nice part of town. This house easily, well, with the land it's on, well over $1 million. Look at all the hairs from these animals getting in. So definitely getting some puddled water from that. Look at that. You guys let me know about this whole plywood. I've never seen this before. Where they, during construction, they actually decked the bottom of these joists and then put up all of the support beams. I mean, you gotta be pretty close, man. We had no shims. I mean, they were pretty snug. I'm trying to find a toilet. Another duct line going upstairs to the vent. There you go. This is what I meant right there. You see that? If that were to leak, which it has, a leaky toilet. Oh, that's not good. This is where all the animals are coming in through right here. Oh, that smells. See all the hairs from the animals? God knows what comes in here at night. Yeah, so doing any kind of repair work in this kind of a crawl space, this height, would be fantastic. But with that plywood being there, they even have a Santa Fe dehumidifier. Yeah, when do you guys get to see me walking around in a crawl space? You guys don't usually see me doing that. So here's tells you the temperature. It's at 73, 83% humidity. This dehumidifier is not working. Yep, it's pouring cold air. The compressor's out. This dehumidifier is not working. It's not even condensating. I'll bet you that. Yep, look at that. It's completely dry in there. Just the fan's working. See that? That should be dripping water like crazy. It's like the air conditioning. So all that's not even working. This guy's shot. So you got all this plywood. You can see all the fungus. Look at all that fungi. 83% humidity here. That fungus is all going to get worse. See, look at it. You can tell they already did some HVAC work. You taped all this right here. So the plumber's gonna have a good time fixing that over there. But this is actually nice. I mean, look at this. You got a nice place to work. Oh, you got a lot of critter activity. Goodness gracious. I just don't like just not a fan of that plywood. You guys let me know in the comments, would you leave it alone? Would you much rather just see the joist? I would much rather just see the joist, not even put insulation. Not in this region, depending on what zone you're in. But in this region, no insulation, just a joist, encapsulated. Keep it nice and fresh down here. I want to be able to see the bottom of all my toilets. I want to see as much plumbing as I can. Critters, they won't be messing around down here if there's no insulation, but you can see that they're getting plenty of mice, all kinds of crap. That guy is shot. That guy needs to be working. If you're gonna have plywood right here, you can tell it already has all kinds of fungal growth on it. Look at that. So, plumbing problem, new dehumidifier. Fix that hole over there. Oh, got another hole right here. Look at that. Ooh. Get a nighttime possum in here, raccoon. No way. Not a chance. Alright guys, hit that like and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and let me know in the comments, plywood or no plywood. I'm a no plywood guy. Never seen it before, and I don't care to see this again. I think it's a terrible idea. Anyway, catch you on the next one.